I had a permanent Foley catheter installed 3 days ago, a small one, gauge 12, inserted through urethra, and I'm waiting for an appointment with a urologist. A few years ago, I had a bladder neck incision, TUIP, and since then, I have had retrograde ejaculation, sperm goes in my bladder. My question is, can I ejaculate while I have this catheter inside me? I have 2 concerns. One, is it okay with my body? The sperm will pass anyway and find its way around the rubber tube and go up easily in the bladder as usual, or is it dangerous somehow? 2, if it's okay and the sperm ends up in the bladder, could the sperm block or clog the catheter at some place when it is evacuated toward the leg bag, considering a small catheter, 12 gauge? Thanks, JF.
Hello and thanks for trusting me to help you today. I look forward to working with you. I would not recommend ejaculating while the catheter is in place. This is because you will probably have a lot of discomfort having an erection with the catheter in place. Additionally, you could potentially force bacteria from the catheter backwards into the prostate and causes severe infection. If you ejaculate and the semen goes backwards into the bladder, this is not harmful. The semen will just come out with the urine in the catheter. But I would recommend that you just wait until you see your doctor for your evaluation to determine what to do about your urinary troubles before you ejaculate again. Hope this helps.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.